What's up guys, welcome to a new trade recap. Today I'm reviewing an NQ trade that I took live for all the members of Tribe Capital. I will insert it somewhere here that you see the live signal. I would say let's hop into the charts guys, let's go. So this is the trade I'm talking about guys, it's on NQ. I took it on the M5 time frame. That's my bread and butter system that I trade every day, Monday to Friday, and every trade is posted live and transparent, wins and losses. So I would say I'll hit the replay mode and show you exactly my thought process behind the trade guys. First of all, it was 1530 and I was waiting as always for the opening range from 1530 to 1545. As you can see, it got created. Those are the three candles I'm looking at: 30, 35 and 40. And as you can see, the top of the range was at 1530, the bottom was at 1535. So I marked out the range top and range bottom. That's the first step. Then we analyze market structure with my two candle rule. We just start from this obvious low right here up. Here we have two candles down. Second candle is outside of the first one, so this is a valid leg. Then we have two consecutive up candles again. Here we have two consecutive down candles again. Here we only have one consecutive up candle, so it's not a valid leg. Here we have two consecutive up candles, so this is the leg to look at. This is just noise in between, and my two candle rule filters it out. And as you can see, market structure was bullish right here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But then we shifted structure right here. When the opening range got created, we closed two candles below the last low. So right here we switched market structure, and then I am waiting for a close below the range low since market is bearish. And let's see what happened. We went to the range low, we held it for some time, but after a while, as you can see, we closed below right here. And once we closed below with this candle guys, I just set a limit order at the range low. Stop loss is always at the range high. This is the same every day, and my take profit target is always a 1.5 deviation from the range. And that was the trade guys. Entry range low, stop loss range high, and then we just let it run. Let's see what market did. We retraced pretty far into it and it looked like it would have gotten stopped out, but the trading gods were nice to me. We held it, the stop loss held. It took quite some time, and at 8 o'clock in the evening we had a nice drop. We reached my break-even point at 9 o'clock. The 1.2 deviation is my break-even point where I set the trade break-even, and I told the members to set the trade break-even, and then I just let it run guys. Stop loss is break-even and the take profit is set, and a few minutes later we smashed the full take profit for the 1.5 hour that I am always hunting with this setup guys. And the most important part about this is it's the same every day. There is consistency guys. Without the consistency, without the discipline to execute this system the same every day, this system wouldn't work guys. It's literally just consistency and discipline, and it's boring, but I can promise you once your trading gets a little bit boring, that's when you start making the real progress guys. So that's everything I looked at for this setup. Very simple but very consistent and very disciplined with it. So guys, if you like the video, hit like, hit subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and follow my ex. You can DM me there if you have questions about everything related to trading. And thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.